today is the poem A Legend of the Northland. The poem A Legend of the Northland is written by Forbes Cary. So you have to remember the name of the poet also. You will be asked in a question that write the name of the poet and its the poem and its poet. So you need to remember the name of the poet Forbes Cary and also learn the spellings P-H-O-E-B-E-C-A-R-Y. Before we start with the summary of the poem, so let me tell you what kind of poem is it. There are many kinds of poems. You can say that there are many types of poems like haiku, ode, and many others like sonnet also, ballad. So this poem in our syllabus, A Legend of the Northland, is a kind of ballad. So before we start, you need to know what is ballad. Can anybody explain or can you have a hint? Anybody tell me what is a ballad? Okay, let me tell you. What is a ballad? Ballad is a long narrative poem. In 3 words you can give the definition, a long narrative poem, or you can say that it's a story, it's a poem or a song, narrating a story in short stanzas. Usually you read the poems that are very short and concise. So this is a ballad is a kind of poem in which it tells us a story. We get a story, so it's a long, basically whenever you get a story it's very long, so it's a long narrative poem. The poem is very long, the stanzas are very short, it has a rhythmic quality, it has the rhyme scheme, but it tells us a story. So it is called a ballad. Did you get that? Okay. So the second point comes, what kind of story it tells us. So in this poem, A Legend of the Northland, it tells us the story of an old greedy lady. An old greedy lady who lives in Northland. So another point comes, you can say that it's a kind of legend. What is legend? What is legend? Legend is a popular story from past which is believed by many, but one cannot prove whether it is true or not. So usually we hear many of the stories from our grandparents, but the stories are believed by many, but one cannot prove whether those stories are true or not. So this is the same kind of story. So in the story, we just are talking about an old lady. What kind of lady is she? She is a very greedy lady, and she lives in Northland. All around the world, and they were spreading the love for God all around, telling the people about the teachings. So for the whole day he didn't eat anything. For the whole day he didn't eat anything. So he was very much hungry. So he came near the door of an old lady. So at that time, what was the lady doing? The lady was making cakes and she was baking them on the hearth. As Saint Peter was very much hungry, so he asked the lady to give him a single piece of cake. So the lady decided to give him a piece of cake, but when the lady was giving him that cake, so what did she see? She saw that the cake was very much big to give him to Saint Peter. As she was greedy and selfish, she was feeling like that the cake is too big to give him. So she decided to make another cake that was smaller in size, and she did the same. She made a cake that was very small in size. So when another time she was giving it to Saint Peter, what happened? Again she felt that the cake is too big to give him. For the third time, she made another cake and she just baked it as thin as a wafer. The wafer that is very much thin. So she made a cake like that. But that time even she didn't want to give it to Saint Peter. So at that time, Saint Peter, what did he do? Saint Peter, he was very much hungry and he just got angry and he cursed the lady. He cursed the lady and he transformed her into a woodpecker. Saint Peter cursed the lady. Do you know what is curse? Shrap dena. He cursed the lady and transformed her into a woodpecker. What is a woodpecker? A bird. Have you seen the woodpecker? Have you seen? So he transformed her into a woodpecker. So he told the lady that she is not fit to live in a human body and she is not fit to eat that food. She was baking the cakes. That's why he cursed her. So what the woodpecker gets a very short, gets a very scanty of food by boring holes and holes in a hard dry wood. So he had to work a lot. He had to work hard to get little bit of food. That's one. So till these days also we can see the woodpecker eating a very small by boring holes and holes in the hard dry wood for the long day. So this was the story. So but as I told you at the very first point that it's a kind of legend. It's believed, the story is believed in the Northland by many people in the Northland. The people of Northland believe this story. They tell this story to their children. But can you prove that it is true or not? No. It is believed by the people that the woodpecker is a bird that was the greedy lady. But we cannot have the facts, we cannot prove it. So that's why it's a kind of legend. Clear? The kind of the poem is a ballad. It's a long narrative poem which tells us a story of an old greedy lady and about Saint Peter. So we'll do the question answers now. The reference to the context. So please open your notebooks and start the question.